Hello students, how are you? So yesterday we have done that chapter coordinate geometry. Today we will start multiple choice question related to this chapter. If you understand chapter already, I told you in this two formula, one formula is this. If we are having a line segment, this is A whose coordinate are x1 and y1, and this is the point B whose coordinate are x2, y2, then distance between AB is equal to under the root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. This is name is distance formula. What's name? Distance formula. Next is section formula. So we are having a line segment same like this whose coordinate are x1, y1. B is a point whose coordinate are x2, y2, and this is a point P whose coordinate are x and y. This point P, divide this in 2 ratio m raised to m2. Then this x is equal to m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2, and y equal to m1 y2 plus m2 y1 by m1 plus m2. So this is known as section formula. What's section formula? Understood? And if this ratio become equal, this P is become midpoint, then this x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, y equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. This is saying midpoint formula. What's saying? Midpoint formula. Yes or no? These three formula we can say mainly two. Otherwise we can say three formula which are very important related to this chapter. So we will solve these multiple choice question. What's multiple choice question which is related to this chapter? So one by one we can start. So first question given of multiple choice. What saying? Option given to you. So solution here I can write the distance of a point P from the x-axis is. So distance of a point, we are having a point P whose coordinate are these, and this is the x-axis. So distance is this. Distance is this. What are the coordinate of this point? Coordinate of this point is this. What? X and y is 0. The distance of the point, distance of this point meaning this distance. How much unit? It's meaning y coordinate. Distance from the y coordinate. So like this. Otherwise, we can show like this. One unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. 1 unit, 2 unit, 3 unit, 4 unit. And point is where? P point whose this is 2 unit and this is 3 units. So meeting at a point, this is point P whose coordinate are 2 and 3. 2 meaning distance from the y-axis, and you have to tell the from the x-axis, so how much? 3 unit. So what's your answer? B. And if in place of x-axis they're using y-axis, then how much its answer? Then its answer is this. Got? Simple one. Already I told you AOBC. This we can say this type of figure. AOBC is a rectangle whose 3 vertices. This is 0, 3. This is 0, 0. Origin we can say. And third one, 5, 0. Understood? The length of its diagonal is. Length of its diagonal is you have to find out. So length of its diagonal is this. So AB, we know distance formula. x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So AB equal to what? What's your 5 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square? What is this? 25 plus 9 and root 34 is your answer. So C is your answer. Got it or not? Third, the points are the vertices. So these given point A whose vertex is minus 4, 0, B 4, 0, and C is a vertex whose are 0, minus 3. We have to tell, is it a right angle triangle, isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, scalene triangle? This is scalene triangle coming. Understood? Scalene triangle is that triangle whose all sides are different. Right angle triangle is that triangle whose one angle is 90 degree. Equilateral triangle is that triangle whose all sides are equal. And isosceles triangle is that triangle whose 2 sides are equal. So we can find out its sides by using distance formula. So solution, what we can say? AC equal to what? x2 minus x1. So you can write this is x1 y1. This is what? y1. So how can we write? x1 equal to minus 4, y1 equal to 0. B, x2 equal to 4, y2 equal to 0, and this we can say x3 equal to 0 and y3 equal to 3. Yes or no? So we have to find out AC. AC meaning of AC is what? OC minus OA and equal to this x3 minus x1 whole square plus y3 minus y1 whole square. So what is this? According to you, x3, 0 minus 4. So minus 4 square plus y3, 3 minus 0, 3 square. So how much? If you can solve it, so this is becomes 16 plus 9, how much? Under root 25, and which is equal to 5. 5 units. Now find out in the same way AB. Directly I am writing here AB equal to what? x2 4 minus 4. 4 minus plus whole square plus 4 minus minus plus 0 minus 0, 0. So 4 plus 4 under the root 8 square is equal to under the root 64 is equal to 8 unit. Then find out AB, AC, then find out BC. BC equal to what? BC x3 0 minus 4 0 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 0 3 minus 0 whole square. So this is equal to what? Minus 4 square plus 3 square. So which is equal to 16 plus 9. How much? Under root 25, which is equal to 5. So here what we can say from this AC, which is AC, this is equal to what? BC. AC equal to BC but not equal to AB. So two sides of a triangle are equal. Two sides of a triangle are equal. So what type of triangle? Isosceles triangle. So that's why its answer is this. So one by one we can show the point which lies. So this is what? Next, example number 4. The point which lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment. We are having this. This is a point whose coordinate are -2, -5, and B is what? B is a point whose coordinate are 2 and 5. Understood? A point which is lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment joining the point this. This is the perpendicular bisector. Understood? Perpendicular bisector meaning this point. Let this is point P whose coordinate are x and y. So what is x? X is equal to -2 plus 2 by 2. So 0 by 2, how much? 0. Understood? Y equal to -5 plus 5 by 2. This is again 0 by 2. So what's 0? So what are the coordinate of this point P? 0, 0. This point lying where? Origin. So what's its answer? Its answer is A. What's its answer? A. P point saying the point which lies on the perpendicular bisector of the line segment. So this is the line segment and this is the perpendicular bisector. This point name is P. Perpendicular bisector meaning AP equal to PB. P divide these into two equal parts. So which formula applying? Midpoint formula. Which applying? Midpoint formula. Yes or no? So what's your answer? A is your answer. Next, fifth part. This is the fourth vertex. Vertex meaning corner of a parallelogram. So this is a parallelogram whose A -2, 3, B how much? 6 and 7, C how much? 8 and 3, and we have to find out what? D point vertex. What is this? X and Y. So what we can do? We can join this and join this also. Both are cutting at this point. Name of this point is O. What's O? If AC, O is the midpoint, so what are the coordinate of this point? -2 plus 8 by 2. -2 plus 8 by 2. Another one, 3 plus 3 by 2. Yes or no? So what we can say these? Coordinate of this point O is what? 3 and what? 3. 3 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6. Yes or no? So now we have to find out this coordinate BD. BD. What's BD we have taken? Where O is the midpoint of BD. Therefore, x plus 6 by 2 equal to 3, because coordinate of this point is 3. So x plus 6 equal to 6. So what is your x? 6 minus 6, how much? 0. Similarly, y plus 7 by 2 equal to 3. So what's it's become? Y plus 7 equal to 6. So y is equal to 7 minus 6, how much? 1. So what are the coordinate of this point? 0 and 1. So what's your answer? A is your answer. Who's this question number 5? Understood? Next. So this is 5th. Now, multiple choice question number 6. All are depend on it. Easily you can solve the coordinate of a point which is equidistant from this point. So one point taken. What's the name of this point? O, whose coordinate are these. Another point we have taken A, whose coordinate are 2x and 0. The coordinate of a point which is equidistant from the vertices, this and this, and triangle taken, sorry. So what's taken? We are having a triangle. We are having? Triangle. So this is the triangle we have taken. A, B, C, A, B, C not. O, A, B. So this I can write O, this I can write A, and this is B. What's the coordinate of this? 0, 0, A, 2x, 0, B, 0, 2y. This given the coordinate of the point which is equidistant from this vertex, and this vertex. So first what we can find out? So we can say P is the point. P is the point whose coordinate are x and y. P is the point. Here you can take P point whose coordinate are x and y, and its distance from these 3 points are equal. So first we can find out OP. OP equal to under the root x minus 0 x square plus y square. Understood? Then find out AP. AP equal to what? 2x minus x square, 2x minus x square plus y square. So these are the coordinates. Coordinates in another way we can take. In this way we will not take. We will take like this. Coordinate of this point is what? So we will take like this. We can take like this also, A and B. So OP equal to under the root A square plus B square. And this AP equal to under the root 2x minus A whole square plus what? 0 minus B square. Similarly, AP BP equal to under the root A minus 0 A square plus 2y minus b whole square under the root. This is your first, this is your second, this is your third. So OP equal to AP. So what's your P? Under the root a square plus b square equal to under the root 2x minus a square plus minus b square. Solve it, squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, a square plus b square equal to 2x minus a whole square plus b square we can say. So a square plus b square equal to 4x square plus a square plus how much? 2 to the 4ax plus b square. So what's it's become? This a square cancel this a square, b square cancel this b square. So what's your common? 4x is common, x plus a is equal to 0. Yes or no? So is equal to 0. 4x we have taken. So what's your x? From this find out. If we can find out this, what is that? X plus a equal to 0. So what is x? X is equal to minus a. Or we can say a equal to minus x. A equal to minus x. So value of this point is what? Minus x. Similarly, we can find out what we can find out. This one. Here BP equal to AP. BP equal to AP, or we can write OP equal to BP. Just wait. So this we have written. Once time check it. Last one. A bit closer now. So this given to you as, so according to this coming, again we will check. So again I am telling, if not understood this, so once more I want to repeat. So what is this? This point, this we have taken this like this. This distance OP equal to AP equal to this. This also I am erasing. Again I can find out. I have taken what I have taken. This point coordinate what I have taken. P equal to A and B I have taken. So first I will find out OP. What I will find out? OP. More way also we can find out this cutting here. What's cutting? What are the coordinate of this point? This by 2x and y. So what are the coordinate of this? X by 2, y by 2. But we have to find out the coordinate of this point P. We have to find out OP. OP equal to OP. A minus 0, A square plus B square. Then we find out AP. AP equal to under the root. What's coming? 2x minus A whole square plus 0 minus B whole square by distance formula. Then we can find out what we can find out. We can find out this. This is, which point is this? This point is P. Then we find out BP. BP. P coordinates are A and B. B is 0 and 2i. So under the root, what's coming? 0 minus A whole square plus 2i minus B whole square. This is your first, this is your second, this is your third. But what's given? OP equal to AP. This we can take. So under the root, A square plus B square equal to AP. 2x minus A whole square plus minus B square. This. So this is your fourth. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides, we get, what you get? A square plus B square equal to 2x minus A whole square plus B square. Solve it. A square plus B square equal to 4x square plus A square minus 4ax plus B square. This cancel this, this cancel this. So right hand side here, what's 0? So this we can write 4x square minus 4ax is equal to 0. What is? This is equal to 0. So which is common? So we have taken 4x, we have taken common. So x minus a equal to 0. So 4x equal to 0 and x minus a equal to 0. So x is equal to a. So what's the coordinate this? This is x. And now we have to find out what? Y. So OP equal to BP. OP equal to BP. So again this A square plus B square equal to under the root BP. BP is this A square plus 2y minus B whole square. This is number 5. Again squaring both sides. So this is coming like this. A square plus B square equal to under A square. So it's square A 4y square plus B square minus 4yb. This cancel this, this cancel this. So what's it? This is 0 equal to 4y taken common, y minus b. So this taken in that side, 0 equal to y minus b. So what is y? Y equal to b. So what are the coordinate of this point? This point coordinate are x and y. Where given? This is. So first is your answer. In first time what we have taken, this plus I have taken. Here this plus 4ax I have taken, that's why coming negative. So understood? So this question given, what's given? It's distance from these points, this distance, and this distance is equal. Understood? Next. So I think you understood. Now we will start 7th question. A circle is drawn with origin as the center. Origin meaning this is this. This is x-axis. This is y-axis. And this is the center, and circle is drawn. Circle is drawn with origin as the center, pass through these points. So pass through these points, that's also given, that I told you. So this I have taken. Where is the origin? Origin is this. And it's written x-axis is 13.2. It's meaning this like this. It's passed through, and y is 0. Y 0 where? On the x-axis. So this is like this passing. We can say this. This is the point whose coordinate are 30/2 and what's 0. A circle drawn with origin as center. So center is its origin. This is the center. Center meaning, what is this? This is radius. This is radius. The point which does not lie in the interior of the circle. Interior of this circle is this. Interior part of this circle. Interior part of this circle. First is saying minus 3/4 and 1. Minus 3/4 and 1. What's its meaning? Distance from the, try to understand once again, I want to repeat this in actual way. So this is given in this way. So you can tell what's its answer. So we have taken what we have taken. This is the circle. And here, this is the x-axis. This is the negative part of x-axis. This is the negative part of y-axis, and this is the origin. And this point whose coordinate are 13/2 and 0. Understood? This given a circle drawn with origin as the center. So this is origin I have taken as a center. Pass through this point, passing through this point. So this is also radius. This is also radius. What are the coordinate of this point? This point minus 13/2 and what? 0. What are the coordinate of this point? 0 and what? 13/2. And what are the coordinate of this point? 0 minus 13/2. I told you all 4 points coordinates. So saying a circle drawn with origin as the center, pass through this, the point which does not lie in the interior of the circle. Interior of the circle. So it's minus 3/4 and 1 saying. So 1 is less than 13/2, so definitely lying. But this minus 3/4, 3/4 meaning minus meaning in the negative part of the x-axis. Radius is this, which is less than this. So this point must lying in the interior of the circle. Then what's given? 2. So you can check 2. So 13/2 meaning 6.5. So this is on the x-axis 2 units. Here, anywhere, here. And this is 7/3. This also 13/2. 7/3 meaning 2 point something. But this is 6. This is also lying in the interior of this circle. This lying, Third one, 5. 5 is less than this. 5 is less than this. 5 is less than this. Less than this meaning this. So lying here and minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 is what? Minus 1 by 2, this is 1 and half. Minus 1 and half. This we have taken. And then what saying? This point, this is also interior of the circle. This is 6. And what is this? 5.2. This is 5 by 2. 5 by 2 meaning 2 and half. 2 and half. So which one is the point lying? Minus 6. Also lying inside it. In this side. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 meaning 2 and half. So which one is your answer? This is your answer. These are not your answer. Not lie in the interior of the circle. So what you can say, D is our answer. Understood? Next, if the distance between the point this and this is 5 unit, we have taken this A, what's 4 and P, B, what is this 1 and 0, then the value of P, we have to find out the value of P. So AB is equal to 5 units. And AB according to this what? Under the root 4 minus 1 whole square plus P minus 0 whole square. This is your first, this is your second. Both are equal. So what we can say? 3 square plus P square under the root is equal to 5. This is 3. Squaring both sides. What we are doing? Squaring both sides. We get, what you get? 9 plus P square is equal to 25. And P square equal to 25 minus 9, how much? 16. So P equal to plus minus 4. But length is always positive. Length is always positive. So what we can say? We can say this is its answer, is its answer. Yes or no? Got it? This is the answer of this question. Why we have not taken negative? Because length is always positive. Length is always positive. Got? Next. 9. The points are the vertices. You have to tell. One quadrilateral given to you like this. A points whose coordinates are these. B whose coordinates are 9 and 6. C minus 9 and 6. C is this. D minus 9 and 0. Are the vertex of a quadrilateral. You have to tell it is a square, it is a rectangle, it is a rhombus, or it is a trapezium. So what we will do, we can find out first AB. AB equal to under the root AB 9 minus 9 0, 9 minus 9 whole square plus 6 minus 0 plus 6 minus 0 is equal to what? Under root 36. Then we can find out BC by using distance formula. BC equal to minus 9 minus 9 minus 18 whole square plus 6 minus 6, 0 is equal to what? Square of 18, 18 into 18. I think this 324 under the root 324. Yes, then we can find out CD equal to under the root. This minus minus plus become 0. Minus 9 plus 9 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. So what 6 become? 0 square plus minus 6 square is equal to how much? Under root 36. Yes or no? Got this? Then what we can find out? dA equal to under the root. This minus this 9 plus 9 become 18. 9 plus 9 whole square plus 0 minus 0, 0 square is equal to under root 18 square is equal to under root 324. So what we can say from first, second, third and fourth. From first, second, third and fourth we get what you get. AB equal to CD and BC equal to DA. AB equal to CD, BC equal to DA. So we are having a quadrilateral whose opposite side are equal. So either it is a parallelogram or rectangle. So we have to decide it is a rectangle or a parallelogram. We can find out what we can find out this. Its diagonal we can find out. This diagonal DC. So DB equal to under the root minus 9 minus 9 whole square plus DB OB 6 minus 0, or this we can write plus because 9 minus 9 plus 9 18 becoming not effective result. This is meaning 18 square plus 6 square. So how much is this? This is equal to 324 plus 36 is equal to under the root 360. This is our fourth we have taken. So this is fifth we have taken. Now BC square is equal to BC square. Where is BC? BC is this 324. BC is this. DC square is equal to 36. So BC square plus DC square equal to 324 plus 36 is equal to 360, and 360 under root this if you can take square. So this is therefore BC square plus DC square equal to DB square. So by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, opposite to this side DB is what? Right angle. This angle is 90 degree. Similarly, remaining angle also become 90 degree. So therefore ABCD is a rectangle. Rectangle is that quadrilateral whose Opposite side are parallel and equal, and each angle is 90 degree. All rectangle are parallelogram, but all parallelogram need not be a rectangle. So what's your answer? Anywhere given rectangle? Yes, this is your answer. So this I told you. So this is not a square, this is not a rhombus, not a trapezium. Next, 10th. If the distance between the point this and this 5 units, then the sum of the value of x is. So this is given. We have taken A is a point whose coordinate are 2 and -2, and it's a coordinate -1, and x we have taken, its name is B, and AB equal to 5 units. And AB according to this what? OB minus OA under the root -1 -2 whole square plus what's coming? X plus 2 whole square. This is your number 1. This is number 2. Comparing first and second, we get what you get. This is also AB, this is also AB. So right hand side also equal. 5 is equal to under the root -3, 9 plus x plus 2 whole square. This is your number 3. Squaring equation 3, both sides, we get this is 25 is equal to 9 plus x plus 2 whole square. So 25 equal to 9 x square plus 4 plus 2x. X is like this. Now writing here 9 transfer there, or 25 bring in this side. So how can we write? X square plus 2x, x square plus 2x. I have written this 9 plus 4 13, or plus -25 equal to 0. So x square plus 2x minus what? 12 equal to 0. Find out the value of x. X square plus how much? 12 is there. So what you can write? 2x or 4x coming here? Sorry, 2 written here. So what's coming? 4x. So 6x minus 2x minus 12 equal to 0. X taken common, x plus 6 minus 2 taken common, x plus 6. By splitting the middle term using quadratic equation, x plus 6 is common. So x minus 2 equal to 0. So what are the value of x? X equal to -6 or x equal to 2. X equal to 2. So what's given in your answer? Sum of the value of the x's is. So sum 1 is 6. 1 is 6 plus 2. How much? -4. So anywhere given -4? Yes, given. Sum of the value is how much? -4. Understood? Next. So this is about this question number 10. 11. The distance between the point. So again we are taking like this, again and again repeating same question. Cos theta, sin theta, and B point whose coordinate are sin theta, comma coming here minus cos theta. So find out by using distance formula. AB equal to under the root B sin minus cos, sin theta minus cos theta whole square plus what's given minus cos theta minus sin theta whole square, this till here. Solve it. So AB equal to under the root A square plus B square sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Now this plus cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta till here. So check this and this. Both cancel with each other. So AB sin square plus cos square theta is equal to what? 1. And this is cos square plus sin square theta. Again 1. So what's become? AB equal to under root 2 units. What's answer? Under root 2. Where given? Here. So if you know basic, easily we can solve it. If we don't know basic, then it create a problem. Not only we have to apply distance formula, if we know A minus B square is equal to what? A square plus B square minus 2AB. Here this is minus A square plus B square minus 2AB. So minus minus plus become 2 sin theta cos theta become. Cancel each other. This is your answer. Next, the distance between the point this and this, same as it is. No doubt. Yes, like previous one. So A point we have taken, whose coordinate are A cos 25 degree and 0, and B is a point whose coordinate are 0 and A cos 65 degree, this. So distance formula we know, AB, distance formula is this, x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So what's your this? AB, B is what? 0, 0 minus A cos 25 degree whole square plus y2 A cos 65 degree minus 0 whole square. Understood? What's it's become? This is become A square cos square 25 plus A square cos square 65 become. So which is common? A square is common. What is? Cos square 25 plus cos square 65. So what's coming outside? From this, A coming outside. Inside, cos square 25 plus cos square 90 minus 25. This we can write 90 minus 25 is 65. So this become A under the root cos square 25 plus what is this? This is equal to sin square 25. Why? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Sin 90 minus theta cos theta. So what is this? This is equal to 1. So is equal to A and root 1, and which is equal to A. Why? Because sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So this is become equal to 1. 1 square 1, 1 into 1 A. Anywhere answer A. Here this is given capital A. This is not. So what's our answer? None of these. What's our answer? None of these. 13. If x is a positive integer, you understand? What are integer? Integer, if anybody is saying what's the definition of integer? Integer are real number which are not in the form of decimal, which are not in the form of fraction, never found under the root, which are complete. Three type of integer: positive integer, negative integer, and one is neither positive nor negative. Neither positive nor negative integer is 0. Negative integer -1, -2, -3 up to minus infinity. Positive integer 1 to infinity. Positive integer are equal to what? Natural number. And its actual definition is this: integer are the combination of a whole number and negative of a natural number. This is the complete definition of a integer. And if anybody is saying what are integer, then in general you can say which are not in the form of decimal, which are not in the form of fraction, which are complete, which are negative also, 0 also included them. But if saying exact definition, then you can say it is a combination of what? Whole number and negative of natural number. So this come on the question. Multiple choice 13. If x is a positive integer such that distance between this point and this point is 10 unit. So this again like this same question doing. P is a point whose coordinate are these, and Q is a point whose coordinate are this, and this distance is how much? 10 unit. This is what's Q. So what's given here? PQ equal to 10 units given. This is 1. What's saying? 1. 1 we can find out by using distance formula, is equal to the under the root 3 minus x whole square plus 6 minus 2 whole square. This is 2. Comparing first and second, we get what's comparing? Left hand side are equal, so right hand side also equal. So under the root 3 minus x whole square plus 4 square is equal to 10. This is your 3. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides of equation 3, we get, so 3 minus x whole square plus 16 is equal to 100, square of 10. So this we can write 9 plus x square minus 6x plus 16 equal to 100. 16 plus 9, 25. So how can we write x square minus 6x plus 25 minus 100 equal to 0. If you can solve this, x square minus 6x minus 75 is equal to 0. So find out the value of x. X square minus 6x minus 75 is equal to 0. So find out the value by splitting the middle term. So 10 4 ja 40, 11 5 ja 55, 12 7 ja 12 5, 12 6 72, 13. So what's 13? 9. 9 now how much? 25. Not able to find out this. So then what we can do? This is minus 6 actually. So here is a problem. So this is also minus 6. Minus 6 minus 8. Minus 8 whole square is this. So how much? This is equal to 64. How much this? 64. This also 64. What is this? 64. 64 plus 9. 64 plus 9, how much? 73. What's coming? Here coming 73. What's coming? 73. 73. How much? This is 27. So here again I can write how much? 27. So we can write x square minus 9x plus 3x minus 27 equal to 0. We will check our step number 1 is right. What's its sum? Minus 6x. It's meaning our step number 1 is right. What's their product? Minus 27x square. What's their product? Minus 27x square. It's meaning factorization, or we can say splitting the middle term method is right. Then what's common? X is common. X minus 9 plus 3 x minus 9 is equal to 0. So what's x minus 9 and what's x plus 3 equal to 0. So x equal to what? 9 and minus 3. These are the two value of it. But saying if x is a positive integer, so which one is the positive integer? This is a negative integer. So what's its answer? This is the answer of it. So how much value of x? 9 if x is a positive integer. It may be possible saying if x is a negative integer, then its answer is minus 3. Minus 3. So I told you this question. Which question? Question number 13. Now 14. The distance between the points. Already told you, many times told you, same formula using again and again. So this point I have taken A, whose coordinate are A cos theta plus B sin theta, comma 0. These are the coordinate of this point. And another point B, whose coordinate are 0, A sin theta minus B cos theta. Distance you have to find out. So distance we can find out by using distance formula. AB equal to OB minus OA, which is equal to under the root OB, this 0 minus this 0 minus A cos theta plus B sin theta. So this we can take like this and then this square plus A sin theta minus B cos theta minus 0. It's also whole square. So find out. It's meaning you have to find out what? What you have to find out? Minus A cos theta minus B sin theta whole square. Right or wrong? Understood? Just calculation. Plus A sin theta minus B cos theta whole square. Find out. A, B. So what's it's become? A square cos square theta plus B square sin square theta plus 2 AB sin theta cos theta. This is first one. Now this A minus B, A square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta minus 2 AB sin theta cos theta. This. So check one time, this is negative, This is positive, remaining same, so cancel out. So how can I write? This I have written like this. A square cos square theta plus A square sin square theta plus B square sin square theta plus B square cos square theta. This what I have taken common? A square I have taken common. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. This I have written first. B square sin square theta plus cos square theta. This is equal to 1. So what's it become? Under the root A square plus B square. So distance how much? Under the root A square plus B square. So what's your answer? This. So these are the just calculation. These are the just calculation using same formula. Now 15, if the distance between the point is 5, then what's the value of P? Same question repeating. We have taken A point whose coordinate are these. We have taken B point whose coordinate are 1 and 0. And what's given? It's the given AB equal to 5 units. This given. And 1AB we can find out. AB equal to OB minus OA is equal to under the root 1 minus 4 minus 3 square plus 0 minus P. So minus P square. This is to comparing first and second. We get comparing first and second we get. So what's its meaning? Under the root 9 plus P square equal to 5. This is your number 3. Squaring equation 3 both sides we get. So 9 plus P square is equal to 25. So P square equal to 25 minus 9. P square equal to 16. So what implies P equal to plus minus 4. So anywhere given P equal to plus minus 4. Check its answer. Yes, first is given. So what's the value of P? P equal to, therefore P equal to plus minus 4 is your answer. Whose of question number 15 multiple choice. 16. A line segment is of length 10 unit. So we have taken a line segment AB. So first we can write in its solution AB equal to 10 units. If the coordinate of its one end point are, so we have taken this 2 and minus 3. And the abscissa of other end is 10. Abscissa meaning x-axis. So this is 10. And what is y? This we have to find out. This we have to find out. So how can we find out this? So we know this I have written. This is number 1. So what I can find out? AB equal to OB minus OA. So what is this? This I have written like this. Under the root OB 2 minus 10 whole square plus minus 3 minus y whole square. This is 2. comparing equation 1 and 2, we get what we get. Left hand side equals, it's meaning right hand side also equal, minus 8 whole square plus minus 3 minus p whole square is equal to 10. This is 3. Squaring equation 3 both side meaning left hand side and right hand side. So it's meaning 8 square 64 plus minus 3 minus p whole square is equal to 100. Square of 10 is 100. So 64 plus 3 square 9 plus p square plus 3 to the 6p equal to 100. Same question repeating but statement changing. So how much this 73? So what's it become? P square plus 6p plus 73 minus 100 equal to 0. So p square plus 6p minus 27 equal to 0. So make its factor plus 9p minus 3p minus 27 equal to 0. Again we will check our step number 1 is right or wrong. What's the sum of this? 6p, it's meaning step number 1 is right. What's its product? Minus 27p square. And what's their product? This product, this also minus 27p square. It's meaning our step both are right. Factorization is right. What we can take common? P plus 9, then minus 3, p plus 9 is equal to 0. So what's common? P plus 9 is common and p minus 3 equal to 0. So what are the value of p? P equal to minus 9 and 3. Anywhere p value minus 9 and 3. Check one time. This b. P value 2 given, 3 given and minus 9 given. What it may be order? First is 3, then minus 9. Next, 17. The parameter of a triangle formed by these points. So find out here parameter meaning sum of all sides. A, B, C. Coordinate of this point we are taking 0, 0. This taking 1 and 0. This taking 0 and 1. Parameter meaning sum of all sides. So first we will find out AB equal to OB minus OA. What is this? Under the root 1 minus 0, 1 square plus 0 square. 0 minus 0, 0 square. What is this? 1, which is equal to 1. Understood? Similarly, BC equal to OC minus OB. Again this 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 whole square plus what? 0 minus 1 whole square, then 1 minus 0. 1 minus 0 whole square. What is this? This is equal to 1 plus 1. Minus 1 square is equal to 1, which is equal to under root 2. Then find out CA. CA equal to OA minus OC. Again find out. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 square plus 0 minus 1 square, which is equal to, what is equal to this? This is equal to, what is this? 1 square, which is equal to 1. Parameter, what's perimeter of triangle ABC equal to AB plus BC plus CA. What's your AB? 1. What's your BC? Under root 2. What's your CA? 1. So what's it become? 2 plus under root 2. 2 plus under root 2. So this how can we write? 2 under root 2 take common, under root 2 plus 1. In this way also we can write. But its answer is given in this form. So which is its answer? This is its answer. Whose 17? Parameter mean sum of its all sides. 18. A, B, C are the vertices of a triangle. Then the length of the median through the vertex. This important. A, B, C. Understood this? Coordinate of A are 2, 2. Coordinate of B -4, -4. Coordinate of this point C 5 and -8. Saying A, B and C are the vertices of a triangle I have written. Then the length of median through the vertex C. Length of the median through the vertex. I already told you what is vertex, what is median. Median is that line segment which start from a vertex and divide the opposite side into two equal parts. So this D is the point. Then AD equal to BB. If solution, if CD is the median of AB, then AD equal to BB. So coordinate of this point are what? -4 plus 2, -4 plus 2 by 2, -2 by 2, -1 by midpoint formula. -4 plus 2, -1. Then what we have to find out? We have to find out the distance of the median. Which median? CD. So CD equal to OD minus OC. By distance formula this D. D is what? -1. What's -1? -1 -5 whole square plus -8, sorry, -1 plus 8 whole squares. What's it's become? -6 whole square plus 7 whole square. What is this? 36 plus 49. How much this? This is 70. 85. So CD is equal to this. Therefore, length of median CD equal to under root 85. What's under root 85? So what's your answer? This is your answer. So what's your answer? C is your answer of question number 18. 19. If A, B, C are collinear. Collinear meaning lying in one line. Then value of x. So we are taking this A point taken, whose coordinate are x and 2. This point B, whose coordinate -3, -4, and C is a coordinate how much? 7 and -5. So this is collinear, so its meaning AC equal to AB plus BC. So first we will find out what AC. What we will find out? AC equal to OC minus OA under the root C 7 minus X whole square plus minus 5 minus 2 whole square. This is your 1. Then find out AB equal to OB minus OA. How much? OB. B minus 3 minus X minus 3 minus X whole square plus minus 4 minus 2 whole square. Yes or no? Then find out BC equal to OC minus OB under the root 7 minus minus plus 7 plus 3 whole square plus minus 5 plus 4 whole square is equal to what? 10 square plus minus 1 square is how much? 100. This is how much? Under the root 100 plus 1. It's meaning under the root 101. 101. Then we can write according to the question we get. What you get? AC. It's meaning under the root 7 minus X whole square plus 49 is equal to under the root minus 3 minus X whole square plus 36 plus under the root 101 is equal to 101. Yes or no? So this we have to find out. So squaring both sides, so it's become 7 minus X whole square plus 49 equal to minus 3 minus X whole square plus 36 plus 101. So solve it. Here we can solve it. 49 plus X square minus 14X equal to 9 plus X square plus 6X plus 36 plus 101. How much? This cancel this. So minus 14X plus 49 minus 9 minus 6X plus 137 equal to 0. Equal to 0. So minus 14X minus 6X, how much? Minus 20X is equal to 137, 49, what's given? 6, 7, 186. Minus 9, minus what? 9, how much? 175. 14X, 6X. So it creates a problem. AB plus BC. AB plus BC. (49) plus x square minus 14x plus 9 plus x square plus 6x plus 36 plus 137, 137, and then what? So in this way, it's become so much difficult for us. So we will solve it by one more method. So we will apply that method. Here is a problem, I think, anywhere. So what is that? So look one time. So one way is this I am saying, another way also I am saying by which you can directly apply this formula and then you can solve it. So what is that? So when I told you, another I can tell. So look one time, if you are having points like this, points A, whose coordinate are x1, y1, B, whose coordinates are x2, y2, and C is a point whose coordinates are x3, y3. If they are collinear, so they are collinear meaning x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2, this is y3 minus y1 plus x3, what is y1 minus y2, this is equal to 0. So we will apply this formula, we can solve by that formula also. So here what's given? Here is this given. A point whose coordinate are what? X and 2. B point whose coordinate are minus 3, minus 4, and C is a point whose coordinate are 7 and minus 5. So we can put value one by one. X1 is equal to x, y2. So this is x1 equal to x, y1 equal to 2. Here x2 equal to minus 3, y2 equal to minus 4. Here x3 equal to 7 and y3 equal to minus 5. y3 equal to minus 5. x3 equal to 7 and this is equal to minus 5. So x I have written in x place of y2. Where is y2? This minus 4 minus y3 minus plus 5 plus x2. x2 equal to minus 3. y3 minus 5 minus y1 2 plus x3 7 into y1 2 minus y2 plus 4. This equal to become 0. So what's it's become? 4 plus 5. 4 plus 5 meaning 1. So x plus, this is minus 3, this is minus 7. So minus 3 into minus 7 plus how much? 6. 7 into 6. 7 into 6. So what's it's becoming? So look, this is equal to 0. So x plus minus plus 21 plus 42 equal to 0. So x is equal to minus 21 minus 42. So what's the value of x is equal to minus 63 is our answer. Minus 63 is our answer. we can solve by that method also, but become difficult for us. So we can apply this. Next, the line segment joining the points. This is the point A, whose coordinate are this, and point B, whose coordinate are 1 and -2, is divided by the y-axis. So y-axis cutting these, y-axis cutting these. So what are the coordinate of this point? Y-axis meaning x is equal to 0 and this is equal to y. This is equal to y, and we are saying this divide in this ratio k raised to 1. So by using which formula? Section formula. Section formula. X, which x? This, which is equal to, so we know x equal to m1 x2 m2 x1 divided by m1 plus m2. So here we can tell x1 -3, y1 -4, x2 1, y2 -2, m1 equal to k, m2 equal to n. So we can say let this point is P, whose coordinate are this y, divide AB in the ratio, which ratio? K raised to 1. So therefore this, so this is equal to 0, equal to m1. M1 is what? K x2 into 1 plus m2 1 into x1 into -3 divided by k plus 1. So what's 0? Equal to k -3 by k plus 1. This bring in this sides, so become 0. So 0 equal to k -3. So this implies k equal to 3. So point, therefore point P, whose coordinate are these, divide A, whose coordinate are what? -3, -4, and B, whose coordinate are what? 1 and -2 in the ratio, which ratio? 3 raised to 1. 3 raised to 1. So beta, this is all about this. We have solved 20 questions. So we will try to solve more questions tomorrow. You can solve these. Some questions are so much important. Previous question we can solve by another method also, but this is also the formula for if points are collinear, and if points are not collinear, then this is not equal to 0. Collinear meaning lying in the same line. Understood? So by another formula also I can tell you this question by tomorrow. So you can revise these. If you can solve these, then easily able to solve remaining question also. So it's my request, you can solve these. Tomorrow we will do more MCQs. So thank you all of you. Best of luck.